If the Lord has performed a miracle in your life, hindi siya titigil doon. You have to believe for another aspect of faith in your life. Amen. And it is, sinasabi is, we are living from faith to faith. After the Lord has delivered you from one situation, ibig sabihin nun, kailangan mo lumabas sa sitwasyon and you have to believe for bigger things in your life. Amen. Because our faith is supposed to grow. Dapat ating pananampalataya ay lalong lumaki. And we are made righteous because of one man who has done it all for us, and his name is Jesus Christ. And according to Hebrews 10 verse 38, in the New Living Translation, and my righteous ones. Sino yung righteous ones niya? Who's our righteous ones? Pakisabi, ako yon. Pakisabi, ako yon. And my righteous ones will live by faith. But I will take no pleasure in anyone who turns away. So, ibig sabihin, ang Panginoon nalulugod doon sa mga taong may pananampalataya, pero at the same time, siya ay tumatalikod doon sa mga taong walang pananampalataya.